Hey New Build Show, I'm Millie and today we're in southeast London exploring Berkeley Group's signature collection at Kidbrooke Village. Let's head downstairs and start this tour outside. This development is part of a vibrant and welcoming community and it's situated right beside the beautiful South Cator Park. So you've got that perfect balance between modern urban living and greenery right on your doorstep. Here we are in Berkeley Square. Now this has absolutely everything you could need. I'm looking around me now, I can see a chemist in front of me. We've got a Tesco, we've got a Sainsbury's local over there, a Starbucks, and right behind me, there's even its own train station, Kidbrooke, which gets you to central London in just 16 minutes. So welcome inside. You can immediately feel how light and spacious it is in here. We're up on the 9th floor, so I can't wait to see what the views are like when we go into open plan spaces. But first of all, so you can get your bearings, this is the 2-bedroom show apartment. So we have here in the hallway 2 storage cupboards, one here for your coats it could be, and one for your suitcases. And then over here on my left, we have a bathroom. But for now, let's go and check out the open plan living spaces. Okay, so let's start in the kitchen. Now the first thing I noticed is the lighting. So we've got energy efficient LED downlights, and we've also got this LED strip light underneath the cabinetry, which creates that real ambience. I can imagine myself cooking a lovely meal in the evening here, and especially at night time, I'm sure it looks even better with the glow from the strip lights. Now over here on the worktops, we've got composite stone, and there's 2 different color palettes you can choose from. So here in the Showhome, they've gone for the lighter option, but there is also a darker option if you prefer a more moody, masculine feel. Now I'm excited to see what's in these cupboards, so let's have a little explore. First thing, these are all handleless, so it looks super sleek on this grey cabinetry, and they're all soft close, which is a very nice addition. And then over here, we've got this fluted glass cupboard where you can display all of your lovely champagne glasses or wine glasses. And then just below, they've added a stainless steel sink, which is super practical, super functional, but also very stylish. Now on the base cupboards, we have got this black handle here, which gives more of a contemporary contrast, but still looks very sleek. And I want to see what's actually in all of these. So let's have a little explore. So this one here is for your bins. Now every apartment comes with one of these just to keep the bins out of the way and not looking messy in the kitchen. And then over here, some more storage options, and we've got an integrated dishwasher too. So everything's integrated, and this here is the induction hob. All of the appliances are by Bosch, so top high-end spec. This is in a black finish, and I love how that complements the handles very nicely. More storage in these cupboards here. You've got space for your cutlery. I mean, this would just make it very enjoyable to cook in this kitchen. We've got more storage down here too, and then we've even got an integrated wine cooler, which is definitely my favorite feature. I feel like that is a necessity. Over here we have the built-in oven and microwave, and then next to it you have your fridge freezer. There we go. I love how they've added this more organic feel as well on the cabinetry here. This is a timber effect wood veneer finish, which looks very nice, and it all just comes together beautifully. As well as your kitchen, in the open plan area, they have a couple of different zones. So over here is your dining table. Now this seats 4 people, so plenty of room for a 2-bedroom apartment. And we've got this lovely big window here, which brings in lots of natural light. On the flooring, we have luxury vinyl tiles, otherwise known as LVT. And then over here into your lounge space, it's really nice that they've added some pops of colours with the sofa and with the paintings, which just really contrasts the more neutral tones that we saw in the kitchen. It's also really nice how they've added this rug here to separate the lounge area from your kitchen. It feels really cozy and softer on your feet for if you want to watch a film or read a nice book. Over here is your built-in media wall. Now this looks gorgeous, but it's also very practical. So down here we've got lots of storage options. So if you want to hide your Skybox or your TV remotes, nothing is going to be out and looking messy. It's in a similar finish to what we saw in the kitchen with that wood texture. And then we also have the LED strip lights again underneath the cabinetry, which give that real ambience. And I can imagine how good this looks at night time too. Now for me, this is the best thing about this apartment. This balcony is incredibly spacious, and it does such a great job at bringing the outdoors and indoors together. Also, the view is incredible. We have got views over the London skyline and also so much greenery. I mean, it's nice having a balcony in itself, but looking over at greenery is even better. I can definitely picture myself having a nice glass of wine here, or even my morning coffee. Kidbrooke Village is a £1 billion regeneration, creating a vibrant new community in the heart of London. Set within 35 hectares of open parkland and landscaped green space, life here flows seamlessly between nature and city living. Imagine morning walks through the newly transformed Cator Park, weekends spent with family and friends, and cafes and shops just moments from your doorstep. With more than 1,900 contemporary homes already built and a wealth of commercial and community spaces designed for modern living surrounded by greenery. The bedrooms have been designed to promote rest, relaxation, and that feeling of waking up refreshed. We've got lots of nature-inspired tones throughout this room. We've got the cloud soft carpet in a muted shade, which gives that instant sense of calm. Over here, we've also got some more texture. So this wallpaper here and also the grooved textured surfaces here add some depth. Now, it's not only looking beautiful, it's also very practical. There is plenty of storage space in here. And just in front of the bed, you also have a nice vanity section. Now, my favorite thing about this bedroom is the huge windows. They bring in so much natural light, but also when you want to switch off at night time, you can easily just close those curtains. So now that we've explored the first bedroom, let's go and check out the second one. But on our way past, I want to show you the bathroom. So the bathroom's all about understated luxury. Over here, we've got this marble effect feature wall, which adds a nice backdrop. And on the floors, we have the large format porcelain tiles. Storage has also been cleverly built in. So we have this cabinet below the basin for some storage options. And then also above, we have this mirrored glass cabinet, which has a shaver socket and more storage options. I also like how they've incorporated the lighting in here too for a nice, soft, flattering glow. And then over here you have your bath, a great size, and in here you have your rainfall shower and also your handheld shower, all with premium fixtures. But let's go and check out bedroom number 2. Into bedroom number 2, so we've got the cloud soft carpet in here again, and also the lovely textures on the wallpaper. Now, the great thing about this bedroom is how versatile it is. So whether you're a young family and you want to use this as a kid's bedroom, whether you're a couple who want to work from home in here, or if you're living by yourself and you just want somewhere for your friends to stay for the weekend, this space would be ideal. So that brings us to the end of today's tour. Thank you so much for coming along with me. Check out the description below for some further information, and we will see you in the next one. Hey New Build Show, I'm Millie, and today we're touring this £2 million apartment by Keble Homes here in Ascot. So I wanted to start the tour by giving you a look at the building itself, which is so impressive.